Hi guys and welcome. If you want to build your own landing page or website using one of those available platforms, this video can be handy for you because in this video I want to provide you with all information that you need to build your landing page or website really fast, easy, and without an extra efforts like learn coding or web design, because platform made it all for you. And you need to customize things. So in this video we're going to talk about how to use the editor of this platform and to make this platform more convenient. We made the placement in the description panel of this video. You can find the link and easily get access to this platform. You'll be on the start page. You need to press get started or sign in. I saw those 1 hour and 2 hour tutorials about this platform available in YouTube, but I don't want to waste your time, and it's much more better to build up your site than to watch videos in YouTube. So let's get started. That's how platform looks from inside. You need to press create new site, and platform will ask you what kind of website do you want to build for business, blog, beauty and wellness, online store, and so on. I'm just going to press other and to show you couple more options. You can let Wix ADI create a website for you, answering couple simple questions, and it's gonna build a website for you with a design, with all the things. Or you can edit a template, and that's what we're gonna do in this video, because if you'll find out how to use the templates and how to use an editor, you can build it by yourself. So here in this spot you need to be as specific as possible, because it's much more better to find the correct template for your purposes. Like maybe you're building online store, or you're a photographer, or you have some community to run on, or you want to make your own blog. If you didn't find the correct template, you can use blank templates and you can build it from scratch, or with the layouts that are available here. So let's go to all templates and let's choose just, I don't know, any template that is available here. Let's edit this one. Everything is built with the blocks, everything is built with the sections, and actually you need to have like welcome page, about, contact, maybe team if you have. So I'm gonna show it all to you, and in the end of this video you'll get an idea of how to build it by yourself, because everything is so easy and so simple, and everything is drag and drop. And that's what I want to show you. Okay, simple layout, one page. Let's go to menus and pages, and I'll show you that home, services, about, and contact. All those are separate pages, and here they are. Actually, this is navigation horizontal menu, and this shows actually all those sub pages. Yeah. Services, about, contact. You can add some page if you need, or you can delete them also here in this spot. There are page transitions like horizontal, vertical, crossfade, or in out, like it's also up to you. Let's go straight to background, and you see that this background is like here. You can use a color for that. You can use a color, but it's much more better to use the picture. So we're gonna undo this action. Also, if you want to build something with a layout that lays on one page, you need to add strips. Yeah, all those are strips actually, and that's what I was talking about. Like you have already pre-built things like welcome section, services section, about section, contact, team, testimonials, and if you didn't find the proper one, you can use just drag and drop this blank templates, and you can move them around here. If the size of this block is not enough, you can stretch it here. Yeah, and as we have, like now we have this parallax effect because this is the background of entire page, and we can change this strip background. We can apply some colors that we want. Let it be gray. Now I want a custom color. this gray. Okay, add. Nice. And here you go. We can add some things. For example, I have a video of this event agency. I want to put this video in here. Yeah, it's in the center. I can make it as big as I want. Okay, let's add some tags here, like big title. And the best thing about this platform that you can move things around as you want, as you wish, literally. To manage the tags, you just need to double click on any text block, and you'll see that you have a lot of opportunities to make with the text. You can make it bigger, you can stretch it. Yeah, a lot of things, really a lot of things, and a lot of things to add to your layout. Button, order now. Okay, that's easy breezy. Also, there are theme manager, and this is really amazing tool because you can get totally different colors. If you found the correct template and you just don't like the colors, you can switch them in one click. And you see it's already a different page. It's already different website. And that's cool. That's awesome. I showed you how to add, and one of the most important parts is buttons and forms. So you need to switch on the link to that. You see services, it's a page, and your visitor will jump to services using that button. None, web address, anchor, top or bottom of the page, document, email, phone number, and lightbox. This is actually all the options, and the main purpose of any landing page or website is to get new clients, to show your services, to show what you do, and it depends. If you build in your own personal page, you can switch the buttons to some external web address like Instagram maybe, or you want to show some other things, or external page, or it can be document. Even if you promise to send something for exchange to information, contact information from your visitor, that can be document, and so on. So it's up to you actually in most cases, but you need to check all those buttons before you go live with your web page. You need to check those buttons to work properly. And the same thing with the forms. If you want to collect the data, if you want to collect the information about your visitors, definitely you need to check all those forms. That's why make sure that everything works properly. Also, I didn't show you here in menus and pages one important thing, all the settings of your page. So you have a page info, you have layouts, standard or no header and footer. If you want to build a website on one layout on one page, just to scroll it, not to switch between the this extra pages. Yeah, if you want to build it in one layout, it's better to use no header and footer option. If you're building something for maybe educational purposes and you have members, you can use the membership option, and only those people who have applied your membership will be able to jump to your site or to some specific areas of your site. SEO, definitely you need to be visible to search engine machines, so you need to take care about all of the descriptions and all the keywords. Social share, if you want to share your link to some external Pinterest or Facebook, like social media platforms, that's how it will be displayed. So you need to upload an image that will contain your logo, maybe your offer, or some else thing that you want to show to that audience. This is pretty it. And as I showed you, everything is definitely absolutely simple, easy, and you can build it up like in minutes, literally. Of course, let's switch to mobile and let's see how it displayed here. you see everything is works properly. Like we have a button here, we have video here, we have a title here that we added, and that's pretty awesome that we have mobile tools here to make that mobile version more efficient, because a lot of traffic nowadays, up to 60% of traffic nowadays flows from mobile devices, and definitely you need to take care about your mobile version of your site. So I hope you get an idea that everything is pretty easy here, and everything that you can do is to change some things, to move things around to the order that you want, to change colors, to move all the elements in the order that you want, and everything is gonna work properly, and you can count on this platform definitely. Also, you have the social bar, and you can find it all in this add button. Like all the elements that you can add, you can find here, like social. Yeah, why not put them here? Great. One more social bar. You can delete this one. You can use this one, and you'll fulfill all your physical links, and it will be clickable, so your visitor can discover all your Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and all the social media area. What do you have? Like everything is pretty fantastic and pretty fast here, and a lot of customization. You have a lot of customization here. Definitely everything can be built with Wix. If you want to start doing it right now, jump to the description of this video, find the link, pass the registration, and you can make that happen with Facebook or Google. It's absolutely simple, and start building your own landing page or website, because it's really fast, easy, and definitely without an extra efforts. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was useful, and I hope that you get an idea that everything's simple, easy, and you can do it. So do it right now. Thanks, cheers, and bye-bye.